Hello everybody and welcome to the Sensor and Test exhibition. My name is Julia, this is my colleague Tobias. We're here at the TDK booth and want to talk to you on our latest TDK sensor solutions. Tobias, what kind of automotive application does this demo here represent?
Hi Julia, this demo here represents a joystick, so for example for control elements in an agriculture machine. For example, the customer and the visitor can here move on the booth in 360 degree the demo, and it is seen here on the screen. And we have also other suitable demos here for a transmission and shifter application in automotive, so the visitor can use it here.
Does this sensor do real 3D measurement?
Yes, you do.
Okay. And is this product also suited for other automotive applications?
Yes, for example for angular measurements in the brake pedal, for example, and in many industry applications, so the sensor fit in many variants.
Thank you, Tobias. So thank you very much. If you're interested in our products, then just come around here at the Sensor and Test show. You'll find us in Hall 1 at booth 204 or check our website at micronas.tdk.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.